In this video, I will show you how to find the device ID on your laptop. To get started, locate the This PC shortcut on your desktop. Once you've found it, double-click on this PC. This action opens up a window displaying all drives and devices connected to your laptop. Now, look towards the top of this window. You'll see 3 little dots. Click on these dots to reveal additional options. From this menu, select Properties. This will take you directly to your device's About page where you'll find crucial specifications about your system. On the About page, you will see a section labeled Device Specifications. Here, you'll find various details such as processor type and installed RAM displayed prominently without needing to scroll down. Among these specifications is your device ID. This unique identifier is essential for recognizing your laptop within networks or systems. For privacy reasons in this video, I will cover it with a black bar, but when you check yours at home, you'll see it clearly displayed right here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.